Finally decided to go out and buy a different kind of spout for my 5-gallon diesel can. I'm going to try one of these EZ-POUR replacement spout kit with a vent. Got a 5-gallon diesel can that doesn't have a vent, and it came with one of these things, which has a cap that fits on like that. And you have to take that cap off, turn this to align this, and then push on it to open up the top. And those are just worthless, because I'd like to pour into a funnel. You can't push this on a funnel. The funnel will just fall off. So these are junk. And so I'm going to go ahead and put one of these on. This is EZ-POUR Spout kit. And what it comes with comes with two different screw-on tops. This one's supposed to be a fine thread. This is a coarser thread, and this is the one that fits my can. And then it comes with this flexible spout with a cap and a vent you can put into the can. You drill a 1/2-inch hole. You're supposed to use a step drill, kind of like this, because if you use a regular old drill, it'll make the hole kind of not round, and these won't fit in right. So I'm going to attempt to put that in my can. And one thing I did notice, I have this other can. It's a Blitz 1 gallon. I've been trying to find a new spout for it, but this won't work on this because even the fine thread cap won't fit this can. It just falls all the way down. This is a smaller hole, or at least the threads are fine, but the cap just won't fit. The big threads obviously won't fit at all. So still don't have one to fit this can. The spouts on these cans had a taper in the can and in the cover, the screw on top that goes in there like this. And this one quit working. It started to leak because the tapered part here got messed up. I put the spout on a different can, so I've got this can that's kind of worthless to me right now until I get a spout. I think they offer another kit that might work on this. I don't know if I'll worry about that right now. So this is the can I'm trying to put it on. Now it does fit on, this is a Midwest can. And this is also a Midwest can, a little 1 gallon. Now it will fit on this 1 gallon because it has the coarser threads to it. So this lid will fit on there. And the spout will fit this can. So I could get another spout to use for this can, because we do have another spout that this one came with that's not very good. It broke. So this is the can I'm going to put it on. It's a 5-gallon. Now it does seem to fit on the 5-gallon Blitz can. So I think this kit's made for 5-gallon cans mostly. So I had to hook this on the cap and on here. This just goes on like that. And then you just screw it on like you would any other cap. And that part's done. And then I need to drill a hole back here in the back of the can and put the vent cap in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and drill a 1/2-inch hole, and hopefully this will snap in. Bought these step drills at Harbor Freight. These things are great. I ended up breaking one eventually, but I used this quite a bit. These things never seem to get dull. You get like 2 or 3 of these in a package for like, I don't know, it was under 10 bucks. If you go out and buy just one of these things, of a different brand, a lot of times they're like, you know, $10 a piece. But the 1/2 inch hole, this one steps down to 1/2 inch, whereas this one doesn't. So I'm going to start with this one because this one still has a point on it. Finish it up with this one because it has a 1/2 inch step on it. See what happens. And when you get done destroying your can, you'll have to clean it out because you'll have shavings in it. I'll just do it on the seam. I don't know if it'll wreck it or not. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to go with that one. Because this one doesn't, the nearest hole this will drill is a little bit bigger than 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch is that step there. I think I'm going to mark that. Put a mark on the step that's 1/2 inch so I won't drill it too far, I hope. Where's my mark? I don't think I'm at 1/2 inch yet, but so I'm not. I've got to go a little more. I just don't want to go too far. All right, I either went too far or just right. That looks like the right size. There's some stuff right there. I'm going to clean that out. All right, let's see if we can get this to go in there. How do I want it? Like that, I guess. Ooh, it went right in. All right. So there it is. It's hard to see, yellow on yellow. Now I got a vent in this can. I put this on there. All right, now we got another can I can use diesel in. So that's done. It took me, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes to do that. All you need is a drill with a 1/2 inch step on it to cut the hole. Most of the plastic went out on the floor, got caught in the step drill. That snapped right in. So this kit seems to work very well with the larger cans, at least the Midwest cans. It'll work on a 1 gallon Midwest, 5 gallon Midwest, and it should fit the Blitz, 5 gallon Blitz cans too. I've got one of those, it looks like it'll fit. So